Hi friends, welcome to TRENDRIDER channel supported by Huringa.co.in. Today we are going to do the technical analysis for Manappuram Finance. Manappuram is the ticker name, and what you are watching is a monthly technical chart of the stock. And this is the historical price chart, and these are all the technical indicators that are deployed on the stock. And these are all the technical indicator graphs generated by these indicators. And regarding data for analysis, we have data since 2010 June to 2017 November 16th. Okay, for technical analysis. Now, if you look at the historical price path pattern, Manappuram stock has reached in November 2010 itself, Manappuram stock has reached its peak price 96 rupees. That time it was trading at 96 rupees, and today it is trading at 1 or 2 rupees. Okay, so why I'm saying it's the previous peak price. Actually, the new peak price is 113. The new peak price is 113, which it has achieved recently, and recently on September 2017. Okay, in September 2017, the stock has reached 113, it seems, and after that it went down. I mean, it went down means it's in the consolidation phase. But if you look at the recent trend of the stock, since October 2016 onwards, so the stock has been moving in a sideways fashion. Actually, it is facing some sort of a price resistance here at 110. Maybe you can say 110 level, like that. I mean, here it is facing some sort of price resistance, and every time it is, you can clearly see that it is going up to that price and it is coming back, reaching that price and coming back, and again coming back, and all of like this, the trend has been continuing. So simply we can win, and right now this stock is under the influence of positive super trend mode, which is very good, and it has already crossed its 20 and 50-day moving average. That is another good. But when it comes to the long-term investment, we need a stock which is capable of making new highs, not a stock which moves in a range-bound fashion, and not a stock which is unable to overcome its price resistance barrier. So at the moment, Manappuram is facing some sort of price resistance here, and unless it crosses that price resistance, we cannot expect this stock to make a new high, and that is one concern regarding one major concern regarding the stock, because it has been resisting the same the price resistance barrier there after 110 since quite a long time, and so far it is unable to cross it. Okay, so that is one thing, and we just look at the other indicators. I mean, the guiding points of the indicators. So that we will come to know whether this particular stock has got some strength, or is going to get some strength at least in the nearby future. So that if not now, at least tomorrow, or day after tomorrow, or in the next coming few days, the stock is capable of. Which tells us that whether the stock is capable of crossing over that price resistance or not. Okay, look at the RSI thing. RSI is is very. It's at an average level. It's not up to the benchmark level. So strength is not up to the OK level, and it is directional strength is crashing down. Stochastics is okay. Stochastic is okay, again trading at the same level. I mean that average this thing cannot be considered, not even reaching the benchmark. Price volume is increasing, but maintaining at a constant level. I'm keeping the crosshairs here so that you can clearly see there are no spikes in 2017. No spikes in price. Price volume. Momentum is okay. Just now it started. Momentum is playing out of the baseline, and just now it is looking up. And balance of power is okay, literally lying on top of the baseline, showing that right now the stock is under the influence of bullish phase, but at a very low level. Okay, and even elder is supporting that. The balance of power, confirming that okay, the stock right now is under the bullish phase, but the stock is lacking momentum, stock is lacking strength, stock is lacking directional strength. So many factors are there. So because now we know the whole picture is clear. So because all these factors are down, the stock is unable to cross its the price resistance barrier. Okay, whatever it is facing there. So unless these things improve, we cannot expect the stock to cross the barrier, and unless it crosses that barrier, we cannot recommend the stock for long-term investment. So the conclusion is this: the stock at this moment cannot be recommended for long-term investment, but can be recommended for short-term investment. Okay, I hope you got it. So now we'll come back to the stock later after a few days and then redo the analysis based on new points. So until then, the stock cannot be considered for long-term investment but can be considered for short-term investment. Okay guys, if you like this analysis, please like this video and subscribe to this channel. Thank you.